Hello, Bishop State, and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday and 2 with your host, Robert McWilliams. Today's tip is going to be on using the Canvas Course Link Validator Tool. When you are copying courses, uh, whether you're copying a course from a previous semester that you taught the class, or and then even more if you copying a course from another instructor, you definitely want to use the Course Link Validator Tool. So to do that, you would need to go into your Canvas course. Make sure you click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, basically you'll click on the Validate Links and Content. So all external links that are in your course will be validated. And so you can see I have 4 broken links in this particular course. So in essence, I can go in and edit these links, remove them, or add the appropriate correct link to access the materials noted. And in essence, that is this week's tip. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, have a great Bishop State Day.